Today we'll be checking out the updated plugin for the Opencart platform-based web stores. We'll check the Opencart Advanced Layered Navigation plugin that is basically designed to find the products based on category, price, and any other attribute values very easily. And this particular plugin optimizes and improves the navigation of your Opencart store. The plugin also allows you to filter multiple attributes and attribute values at a time, and thereby provides an impressive price bar. And both are Ajax based. That means that the customers don't need to wait for the page reload so as to filter out their products for using the layered navigation itself. So we'll be showing you the work for the storefront, and if there are any initial configuration settings, that would also be shown to you. Before proceeding further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. At the storefront, the customers can search the products with a user defined range filter that is basically based on the Ajax, so you don't need to wait for the page reload. So right now there are only two what we say is the attributes that I've added. I'll just show you some more of them as well. So for example, I need to filter out the manufacturer from Apple, so I'll just check that up. The page doesn't load, and you can find the complete list of products being that are being manufactured and sold out here on your Opencart web store. Choosing Apple displays the Apple products. If I go ahead, I can uncheck it to reset the layered navigation. For example, if we choose HTC, then according to that you can see the number of products that are available for that particular manufacturer as well. For Apple it was 10, for HTC it's 2. Now we can apply multiple what we say as the filters as well. So for example, the price is minimum 1 to 5,000, so I can make it as, for example, from $1 to $454, and according to that the particular product would be displayed. So here is the product that's of $122. So if I make a change up to $45.80, then according to that we can see the details. So here we are having the $122, and this one is for $1,202, and according to the price we have applied the particular filter. To clear them up, you can just tap here on the clear all button, and that would reset the thing. So for example, if I tap here on the clear all, now we'll be able to see the complete listing of the products, and to filter them out using the advanced layered navigation, you can make use of these options on the side panel. Now coming to the attribute values and the other things, let me show you that as well. The admin will create the different type of attribute values from the backend, and the same would then be reflected under the advanced layered navigation. So here you can see that we have the attributes like color, size, gender, type, fit, occasion, sleeve length, price, manufacturer. So that's how you can add a multiple number of custom attributes that would then be made available within the advanced layered navigation to the customers, so that they can apply a single one, or can apply multiple ones as well, so as to filter out their respective products according to the chosen options under the advanced layered navigation section on the left hand side at the storefront. Now in this example you can see that I've chosen the color as brown and pink, and the products having the color brown and pink would be displayed. So here we have the brown and the pink ones. Similarly, depending upon the attributes that you created for your size, you can choose a small, large, medium, whatever you created. Now the best thing is that on the right hand side of these available options, we have the number of products for each respective one, so that's a big good to go for that. Similarly, you can choose to filter out the products that are on based on the gender, so you can choose that up, and according to the gender also you can see the number of products for that particular gender that's being displayed here under the advanced layered navigation. Same goes for the type, occasion, maybe it's for an evening or a casual one, the sleeve length, and that's how this example works using the advanced layered navigation for the Opencart platform based web store. One of the more other options that we have, for example, we're selecting the for example, under type view, we're selecting the t-shirts or the small size, checking the checkbox there. But you can also type in or you can search for the particular attribute from the attribute group. For example, you go and type in the T, then according to the same, the ones that are having that particular initial would be displayed. You can add two or three words as well there, letters there, so as to automatically filter out the particular attributes from the particular attribute group. And you can also basically change the view like listing or the grid view, and you can also sort the product name, price, rating and model from the drop down here according to your requirements. And here on the left hand side you can see that I've chosen the type as t-shirt, tops and dresses, and according to that the products are being displayed to the customer very easily. And this one is the grid view. As you can see, products being displayed according to the selection of the grid there. Now let's see what different configuration settings are there for this plugin itself from the admin backend panel. So after logging into my Opencart platform-based web store, so we'll just navigate through extensions, and then we'll be going to the module section, and here we'll find our advanced layered navigation. So just tap on the edit button under the actions column, and that brings up basically two different tabs. One is the general one and the other one is the version info. Under the general you can set up the so you can choose an enabled for making use of this particular functionality within your store. Apart from that, whatever attribute groups are there, they'll be listed on this section for the attribute group list. And from here, the admin can choose the ones that he wants to display within the advanced layered navigation on the side hand panel, as you were already seeing that at the storefront section. So here you can see that we had chosen there the manufacturer and the price, so only those two were being shown. You can add color, size, anything that you want. You need to create that initially first, and then those attributes can be chosen from this particular attribute group list section and be displayed at the storefront for the advanced layered navigation, so that the customers can easily filter out the products. Apart from that, for the price, you can see that and this is the price range that we have set up. And lastly, you'll just have to tap here on the save button to save your configuration settings for the Opencart platform based web store plugin. That's the advanced layered navigation plugin. Now let's see how so now the admin just needs to set the layout for the category page, and for the same he'll have to navigate to system. Under that we have the design. Under design we have the layouts, and under the layout we'll go to the category page. So that particular advanced layered navigation options come on that, and here you can see that the layout name is there, and here's the module. So from the drop down you'll have to choose your advanced layered navigation, and you can set the position of the same at the storefront. So that's how you can set up the advanced layered navigation that is visible at the storefront on the left hand side by choosing it in the layout itself. Now the admin will have to create the attribute groups and the attributes so that the customers can filter those attributes at the storefront. And for the section that's where in the admin can create the attributes, there the admin can add, edit or delete any of the attribute groups that he has created. And now for the same, the admin can add these attributes by navigating to what we have the catalog. Under catalog we have the attributes. Under attributes we'll go to the attributes, and we'll be creating a new attribute there, and we'll have to set up the attribute group name and the sort order, and then we'll be able to save the same. So here you can see that all of the attributes are visible here, and we can choose them up. So for example, we have the attribute group as manufacturer. Under that we have the Apple, Canon, and the same were visible here in the manufacturer, Apple and Canon. And to add more attributes, you'll just have to type there into the attribute name that you want to set it up for, and you'll choose the attribute group from the drop down. Now first before creating the attributes, you'll have to create the attribute groups. After you have created them up, then according to the setup of the attribute groups, you'll create the attribute set, and then can assign the attribute group to that particular one. You can also set up the sort order for the same and just tap here on the save button to save your attribute group. And after you've created the attribute group, you can go to the attributes, and we are done configuring the attributes for the same. Now after creation of the attribute groups, attributes, now these attributes need to be assigned to the products within your Opencart platform based web store. And to do so, how it can be done so that the products can be filtered on the basis of these attributes. So for that, the admin can navigate through the catalog, products, and under products we'll go to the edit product section. So for example, we have Apple Cinema product. So I'll just go to that, I'll just edit that up, and here we'll have to go to the attribute section, and here you can see that we have chosen the Apple attribute and the price attribute, and we have set up the text for this particular store view. So similarly, you can add more attributes to the product. So for example, I'll choose the attribute as the clock speed. Now this clock speed would then be visible under the advanced layered navigation, and then we can basically filter out or narrow down our search using the clock speed itself. So that's how you can create the attribute groups, assign those attributes to your products, and then it can be used within the advanced layered navigation itself. So that was much about the Opencart Advanced Layered Navigation plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can create a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. You can also contact us through https://webkul.com/contact. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.